So this F2L pair going into the adjacent slot can go like this. This F2L pair going into the diagonal slot like this. And this F2L pair going back into its own slot, a rotationless way, is like this. This F2L case going into the adjacent slot can go like this. Sledgehammer onto the edge. That pairs them up, ready for the insert. This F2L pair going into the diagonal slot can be paired up by a double inverse sexy, like that, and you can insert without a rotation. Finally, this F2L pair going into its own slot, this can be done by triple sexy or triple inverse sexy. It can be rotationless. This F2L pair where there are colors matching, from this angle it can be done like this, moving the corner over and pairing the edge up like that. That pairs it up, ready for the insert. Same F2L case, but from this angle it can be paired up once again by moving the corner over and pairing the edge up like that. And that pairs it up, ready for the insert. So this F2L case, where the corner is on the edge but there are no colors matching, then you can move the corner to the back here and pair the edge up like this. That pairs them up, ready for the insert. The same case from this angle where no colors are matching, it can be done by moving the corner all the way to the back and doing a sledgehammer on the edge. That pairs it up, ready for the rotationless insert. So for this F2L case, this corner and this edge, it can be paired up like this, ready for the insert. And for this case, this corner and this edge, it can be paired up like this, ready for the insert. Finally, when the corner is inserted and oriented correctly, then with the edge we can put it to the back and do a sledgehammer. That pairs it up, ready for the insert. An alternative way to do this pair is once again move the edge to the back, and this time we want to move the corner so that it pairs up with the edge. We just insert and then we restore this cross piece like that.